Hi.
Hi.
Team Terry here, Kimberly.
Dave.
We're heading to the VA today. We got several appointments. Dave has several appointments, so we can get on the road.
Yeehaw.
So we're going to show you a little bit of our day today. Okay.
Come on, go with us.
We've been very busy getting ready. It seems like every day it just flies by because we have so much to do. Closing up the house and getting the motorhome ready. The other day we went to a bunch of thrift stores and got some storage things for the coach. What did we get, Dave?
We got it was like a plastic vinyl shelf type thing. It's looks like old milk crates, but the front is cut out. That's the style of it. It's pretty cool. We got that. We got it fit right in the one closet, so we can use the space a little bit better. And we picked up some baskets to go in the medicine cabinets and that. So just going down the highway, don't slide side to side in there. And what else did we pick up? I don't remember.
Another plastic rack that hangs from your clothes rack on top of the closet. In every closet we have they're not poles, they're like a metal bar with holes in it that you put your hooks in for hang your clothes, and we don't hang that many clothes, so getting all Dave's VA appointments is very important. Trying to figure out what to do with the mail. We've asked several other RVers what they do. If you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments below, because we are a little baffled by it. We've called many different mail forwarding, and we called Escapees, and they wanted like $200 and some to start up. That's a lot of money.
Yeah, they wanted my arm and leg.
And then we called Good Sam's, and they wanted just for a 6-month period to start up. Excuse me, I'm unwrapping something. $195, which is better than $265. And then we talked to other people that have their family members send it. You know, they buy envelopes and put postage stamps on it, and then when they have a bunch of things, they mail them up. But that would require our family members to come over and, you know, get it out of the box all the time. We really don't want to be a burden on somebody.
They probably won't do is I have my son or use my son's address strictly for the VA. That way everything can get sent to his house. Or when we get in that area, we can stop and get it.
Yeah, because Dave's meds are all sent versus the mail and, what is it, FedEx, honey?
UPS.
UPS.
Yep.
Some of the services do forward it, you know, the UPS and the FedEx, but it would cost you more to do that. So I think what we're just going to do is change the VA to our son's house, David Jr., and then we'll I don't know, maybe hold the mail until we have a better idea of what we're going to do.
Yeah, I think that'd probably be the best. As long as I get my VA stuff, that's all I worry about, really. I mean, other bills are important, but most of it, we do a lot of it online also.
Everything online.
Yeah, so, which helps out a lot. 70% of our mail is all junk mail.
All our children are up north in the Finger Lake area, and we'll be getting.
What is this moron
see
doing?
this?
What is he doing?
He just did a U-turn in front of everybody.
What a moron.
Luckily, we're in the caddy and not in the motor coach.
Oh.
So it's, you know, we are keeping our house down here in Florida, and we're totally shutting it down like they did in the olden days, and we're not going to leave it on. If you see here, we're turning into where Dave's first appointment is. He has 3 appointments today.
Lots of chest X-ray.
See how his lungs are doing. He disabled vet from the Navy.
Yay!
Go Navy! And Army. Our son, one of our sons, Ryan, served in the Army. He did 2 tours.
Son-in-law that served in the Army.
Yes, and our son-in-law, Ron, served in the Army. And he did, how many tours? 2 tours?
2 tours in Afghanistan.
We do live in Brooksville, and there is a VA up there, but Dave prefers to come down here. When he first got into the system, they didn't have any room at Brooksville, and the physician that he got down here is absolutely wonderful. Dr. Frederick. Morning.
How we doing? Doing good. Going up. That was a long trip.
How early are we?
What are you gonna put on?
Yo, buddy boy, how you doing?
Just trying to figure out what's going on. He says, why did my...
So we're going to show you what it's like to get into the VA hospital down here in Tampa. Hospital's on the right here.
I put new solar in them. It used to be all wood, now it's solar.
So we finished at Dave's first appointment over at the Annex building, and the appointment went really well. More medicine, but it went well. He doesn't have to go back for another year.
Yay! Yeah, another year.
And this appointment at the hospital this is where all the specialists are. He's going to see the ear, nose, and throat specialist for that bump that he had the procedure on.
happens to be on my fantasy.
That girl out there, what? Dave gets nervous that I film in here.
I do not.
I won't film anybody.
You're not waiting here.
Look, that's where he's going.
Stop. That's not good.
This is the waiting room.
That's a roof.
Here's the roof.
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 Isn't that where I went for my cardiologist? Right over there.
Yeah.
Straight over. Wow, that's cool.
So we're gonna cop a squat here. Put them on if you're sick.
Yeah. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Thank you for watching.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And share it with your friends and family.
We need 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification.
Catch you on the road.
Bye.